How to add SRT file in VN Video Editor. Alright guys, so once you've opened up your emulator being BlueStacks and you've launched the VN editor, all you need to do is just simply open up a project so you can find your videos to work on in the imported. Now if you don't find them here, you could just click on the plus and then click on new project and you'd find all of your imported videos here. So let's go with this one and click on next. So now once you've opened up a video, in order to add the SRT file, all you need to do is just where we have tap to add subtitle, click on this option, select SRT files, and then where we have import from file app, go ahead and click on this option and then pick from Windows. And now just head into where your SRT files are stored and then simply select the SRT file, click on open, and it has been successfully imported. Now when you scroll through your timeline, you're going to find the SRT files on the timeline itself. You can see this is one of them, and as your timeline keeps going, you keep finding more of the SRT files you have added. Alright guys, so that's it.